Many people around us see the world differently. Conditions like depression can lead to one feeling secluded, unimportant, and alone. Many think that suicide is the only way out of their miserable fate. Suicide is the 10th leading cause of death in the US, with 44,965 Americans dying from it each year. But there are other options. Call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline for the help you deserve. They offer free 24/7 confidential support to those who need it. Remember, there are other ways out.